Roarrrs! Hello, what's up mga Ka-Roarrrs? This is Darios the ExploRoarrrs RTV. Andito na naman tayo mga Ka-Roarrrs para isama ko kayo saan man ako magpunta. Yes, mga Ka-Roarrrs! What's up, yo? This is Darios the ExploRoarrrs RTV. Yes, mga Ka-Roarrrs, ipapakita ko po sa video na ito ang step-by-step guide kung paano po gumawa ng paper o beautiful paper firecracker. Excited na ba kayo mga Ka-Roarrrs? Yun, simulan na natin. Are you ready to make a pop balloon?
Yeah!
Are you ready to make a pop balloon?
Yeah!
Yes, what is this?
Okay.
Tape. This one. Scissors. This one.
Ruler.
Yeah, roller tissue. This one. Tape. This one. Balloon. And this one is color paper also. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, look at picture first. Okay, first step. First step is you will, what is this? Roller tissue. First step, this one. What is this? Balloon. You will tie the balloon first, like this. Tie. Okay. Ta! This one. What is this? Balloon. Next, you will cut a little at the end of balloon. Okay. This one. You use the scissor to cut the end of balloon. Next, you will use the cut balloon to cover the mouth of the roller tissue. This one. Okay, like this. Oh, you see? Okay. Next one, we will use what is this? Tape. We will use a big tape to hold tightly. This one, and you roll over it so that it will be tight. Very tight, so that the air will not come out. Like this. And then use the scissor. And here you go. Oh. Okay. Like this. Alright. Next is you will use the color. What color is this? What color is this? Pink. Okay, you use the paper and then you put a double-sided tape in here. Okay, making sure that you will put at the end or the edge part of the paper. Okay, you have to wait for a few minutes. After that, see this one. Okay?
Yes.
Pink paper with double-sided tape. You put here on the edge of the paper. You put double-sided tape on the edge of paper. After that, you remove the cover.
Okay.
Remove. Like that. Okay, after you remove the cover of the double-sided tape, you get this one, put it here, and then you roll over it. Okay, roll over. Okay, and Okay, now let's try to put a little. Can I have this one, Cindy? Just little. And then you put this one, small pieces of paper cut into tiny pieces. Yeah, it's okay. And put here inside. No. Just let it. Put here inside. No, panda. No. Okay, put it here and then 1, 2, 3. Happy New Year! Oh! Okay, 4, 3. That's all for today, mga Ka-Roarrrs. That's 6 minutes. See you in the next vlog. Roars!
If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell notification for latest videos.